So it's your girl's birthday, and as a way of treating myself, I got myself a room. So obviously that comes with a room tour. So yeah, let's start off. Alright guys, I'll show you around. So from the entrance, there's a full-length mirror, a walk-in closet. It's kind of super dark and it lacks a bathrobe. That's my bag. There's a lot of storage. That's the full-length mirror. And there's a couch with a dark-ass looking painting. Here, I'll stand over here. And then there's the bed. It's a queen size bed. That's the view. TV, Home Alone, of course. And I was expecting there to only be 2 water bottles, but they gave me extra, I guess. And this is my favorite part. So when you enter the bathroom, there's a huge ass space for a shower and a toilet. And this is my favorite part right there. Look at this luxury, man, luxury. It's a marble countertop tub. That's the view. And the marble countertop sink. Dude. Alright, so it's time for a little R&R. I'm just throwing in my bath. There it is. That's the view. How it looks in the evening. Look at that view. the walk-in closet. I feel like it needs more light. Full length mirror. Technically I feel like this painting is a bit too dark, but that's just my opinion. The couches has stains. The bed's alright, it's pretty good. They gave me complimentary fruits, and well, you can't really see it, but over here there's like stains at the drawers. Yeah, that's good. And then the toilet also has stains. Can't really see it. Yeah, you can see it. There's like stains there. And I love the tub. I absolutely love the tub. But I feel like these little small details can be improved, you know? There's like cracks there. Just like that. Minor stuff. But yeah. And this one is flickering. I'm not sure if you can see it either, but yeah. Alright guys, so before I check out, I just want to say thank you to Miss Daisy from Reservations. She hooked your girl up with the bookings, and to Mr. Hamdi from the front desk, because he basically was so accommodating from the minute that I entered the hotel. Even hooked your girl up with some free Friday brunch. I was surprised, and he even gave me like a fruit thingy, which I will show you if I haven't. But yeah, so thank you so much. I enjoyed my stay.